Hey, good morning, afternoon, and evening. This is Nitin here, and welcome to my channel. So, if you are looking to set up your working desk or a YouTube studio desk, or just trying to buy a desk in general, in today's episode, we will see if Beacon from IKEA is a good option to buy. I'm so excited to start my YouTube journey over here, and this is my first episode. I'm literally starting with 0 followers and 0 subscribers. So, wish me a very best of luck and time to roll on. Let's get quickly started with the unboxing. Okay, so let's talk about little bit of health. You probably would be knowing already that sitting too much is bad for your health and may lead to lot of health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and early death. Yes, death. On the contrary, standing for just 15 minutes every hour provides great health benefits. That's why these desks are gaining so much popularity. Now that desk is built completely, it's time for a B-roll. For colors, you can choose amongst black, white, and some more stained color versions. Ash Veneer tabletop is little shiny and will attract scratches easily. I just feel the paint quality could have been a little better. You will need to shell out some extra cash for stained color versions. It comes in 2 different packages, an underframe and a tabletop. While the underframe is a solid metal construction, tabletop however is made up of particle board which you can easily clean with mild soapy solution. But remember, it's not a solid wood, so set your expectations accordingly. Assembly is pretty easy and should take around 60 to 90 minutes. And of course, being IKEA, you don't have to run anywhere looking for assembly tools, so you get everything in the package you need. Length of the table is 120 and width is 80 centimeters. There is another bigger variant which is 160 by 80 centimeters, just in case you are looking for a little larger setup. This review is limited to a smaller variant though. You can adjust the height of the tabletop electrically from 65 to 125 centimeters, which is pretty sweet. This is especially useful if you are planning to do YouTube product review videos. You can easily create setup like maybe a potato jet videos. Let's talk about one of the most important criteria, that is load carrying capacity. As per IKEA's documentation, it is capable to lift 70 kilo or 154 pounds. Beacon has got 2 motors and did not show any problems whatsoever during my testing. Mind you, these motors are not the strongest motors amongst the lot, but are sufficient to lift your daily load. In fact, I added one more white tabletop on top of my existing desk. This white tabletop helps me with product shots and does not have any glare. With 2 Lenovo laptops, 1 MacBook and an additional tabletop, I was able to adjust the desk up and down easily. Just make sure you distribute the weight equally on both legs instead of only one, otherwise you will land up with problems. For cable management, IKEA provides a net under the tabletop. It makes it easy to keep your desk neat and tidy. I did not like one particular fitment of cheap plastic fasteners which should have been made up of steel. IMHO IKEA should have provided it at this price point. It is not the most stable desk in the world, but it's not bad as well. Unless you are planning to jump on the table, I think it works pretty well. It is stable at most possible heights and only gets little wobbly when you raise it to its maximum height, which possibly no one is going to do either. Talking of warranty, IKEA gives you 10-year limited warranty in US and Canada, but does not mention any warranty for Indian customers, surprisingly. Last but not the least, in India, it cost around 41,000 Indian rupees. For US and Canada, it's around $400. So I guess it's a better deal for Canadian folks. While in States or Canada, IKEA was always our main choice for home furniture. They have insane variety of furniture from most economical range to some of very solid products. What differentiates them from others is innovation, simplicity and finishing. We are very excited that IKEA has its presence now in 3 cities in India: Hyderabad, Mumbai and Pune. Hyderabad has physical store whereas Mumbai and Pune locations have online store. If you are facing any issue to place an order, simply call IKEA customer support center on toll-free number. For other countries, you may want to visit your nearest IKEA store or place an online order. Note, IKEA may charge anywhere between $50 to $200 for shipping depending on how far you live from your nearest IKEA store. Now it's time for some final thoughts. My overall rating to the Beacon desk is 3.5 stars. It looks good, fits the bill and serves 2 use cases of YouTube Studio Desk and a working desk. And more importantly, it doesn't break the bank. This desk may not be the best of the lot, but for sure it provides value for money. If you have fairly decent expectation, it will serve you well. Now the question is, should you buy it? Absolutely, without any ifs and buts. I am happy with my purchase. This is a good buy for photographers, video editors, YouTubers or someone like people who are working from home. Go ahead. If you have some extra cash to spare, you can send it to me, or you can look for these alternatives: Jarvis, BTOD, Uplift or Veridesks. These are higher segment desks. Finally, should this video help you make the right decision, please press like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions regarding this desk, please write them in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer them. Okay guys, I hope you liked this episode and see you soon with another review of IKEA's Likkeland stool.